Welcome to my YouTube channel, Takrim Media.
Top New Collection Hot Electric Lunchbox Reviews 2025.
Number 4.
The HPI 1/18th Venture 18cc version's 4WD RTR RC car offers realistic simulation design with strong off-road performance. Ready to run out of the box, it features durable 4WD traction, precise remote control, and excellent handling. Perfect for RC enthusiasts seeking adventure, stability, and high-quality model craftsmanship.
Number 3.
The SCY 116 4WD RC car delivers thrilling speeds of 50 to 70 km per hour with powerful performance and LED lights. Designed for drifting and off-road fun, it's perfect for kids and adults alike. Competing with Wltoys 144001, this monster truck offers durability, control, and an exciting racing experience.
Number 2.
This 4 channels 2.4 GHz remote control race car features a powerful 4WD system for smooth and fast performance. Battery-powered and easy to control, it offers stable signal transmission and exciting racing action. Perfect festival or birthday gift for boys, kids, and RC car enthusiasts of all ages.
Number 1.
The Wltoys RC284019 is a 1/28th scale high-speed racing car reaching up to 30 km per hour. With 2.4 GHz control, it ensures stable, interference-free driving. This RTR off-road rally drift car features durable construction, precise steering, and powerful performance, perfect for RC enthusiasts and exciting outdoor racing fun.
Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.